Gary, why haven't you eaten your breakfast? Oh, I see what's up. Alright, Gary, I guess we can make cupcakes. Are you ready to start baking? Sit. Alright, let's do this. What's it say we need? What does it say we need? Yep, okay. Okay. What else? How many eggs? How many? 3. Okay, cool. Alright, Gary. Are you ready? A little snack? Okay. Alright, I'll just get all this stuff in a bowl for you, but you gotta mix it up, okay, Gare? Yep, you gotta clean up after yourself. Good boy.
And now we wait.
Gary, cupcakes are ready. I need your help. Come on. All right. So we got to take this here. All right. We just gotta. Gary, you're doing such a good job. I think you deserve a cupcake.